Hello and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Strange things are afoot here at the Oasis, what we call the house that contains the Galley of the Sun. Tammy has been appointed acting director of nursing. Ever since then, she has been demanding that she be addressed as director. Well, this week we started our YouTube channel, so that makes me a content creator. So I wish to be addressed as creator. It has made for some very weird conversations out in public and gotten us a lot of weird looks. But tonight, I am going to make a meal worthy of a director or a creator. Tonight, what we're making is Parmesan pepper tilapia. I could make some awesome sauce over here. I could put it on the tilapia, and I could chuck that stuff in the oven, and we'd have a pretty good meal. Oh, but nay, Moose Breath. That is not how we roll at the Galley of the Sun. What if I did that, but I put that tilapia on a plank, and I put that plank in the smoker? That'd be quite a bit better. That's exactly what we're gonna do. So the first thing we gotta do is we have to get our alderwood planks and get them soaking. So alderwood planks, as we all know, come from the forests of Alderon. Sadly, those forests no longer exist. So if you're gonna cook something on an alder plate, one, remember the great people of Alderon. And two, make sure you make something epic, because who knows how long this supply is going to last. I'm going to make 6 pieces of tilapia. I can get about 2 of them on each plank, so I have 3 planks. We're going to get them soaking for about 20 minutes. So I have my water over here, get them submerged. Those are good to go. They're really not. I didn't put enough water in there. Hold on. The pitcher is filling. The pitcher is filling. Pitcher is filling. As we all know, due to the unique minerals in the soil of Alderon, which makes their wood so good, it floats. So I have my smash burger smasher to keep it submerged. Planks are soaking, got about 20 minutes on those. So in the meantime, let's make the sauce, get it in the refrigerator, and let those flavors meld together. What kind of sauce are we gonna use for Parmesan pepper tilapia? Well, first of all, we're going to use about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And yes, I'm greatly influenced by Sam the cooking guy. He has me on the Kewpie bandwagon, so I like to use Kewpie mayonnaise. So, first we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of that to our bowl. There we go. And if you can't find Kewpie at your local grocery store, you can certainly find it on Amazon. All right, mayonnaise is in. So here we have about 3 tablespoons of Parmesan. What we do here at the Galley of the Sun is we take Parmesan, we take a little Romano, and we take a little minced cheese. We grind them all up, we mix them together, and it's what we call magic cheese. Then I have about a teaspoon of pepper, and then for a little color and a little bit of extra flavor, about a teaspoon of smoked paprika. They're all in. Now we mix it up. Our cheese department here at Galley of the Sun has informed me that I told you something that was incorrect. We also put Asiago in with the Parmesan, the Romano, and the minced. So now we have the garlic. I'm adding about 4 cloves here. If those cloves are small, you can do about 2 at a time. Okay, as you can see there, the sauce is absolutely beautiful. We're gonna get that in the fridge so those flavors can melt. So as I said before, tonight we are cooking tilapia. Well, why tilapia? Tilapia is about the 4th most frequently consumed fish in the United States. A lot of it comes from China, a lot of it comes from Egypt. The particular one that we're using tonight comes from Indonesia. In about 2008, there was a study done that said, oh, tilapia equals bacon as far as nutritional value. That report was debunked. In fact, the Mayo Clinic got involved to help debunk that report. So, tons of omega-3 in there, there's omega-6 in there. This is very good stuff for you. It's a freshwater fish. It's mild, so it's perfect for that person that doesn't necessarily love seafood, but wants to eat a little bit more healthy. Kids love it. It is good stuff. All right, as we wait for our planks to soak, gotta have a vegetable with it, so we're gonna go with asparagus tonight. So I got my asparagus over here. We're gonna get those hard ends chopped off. We just can't have asparagus. We gotta do something to it. We get our trusty Ziploc bag out, chuck our asparagus in there, and then some flavored olive oil. So you can find this at oil and vinegar stores, you can find this at a farmer's market, you can find it at the grocery store. Got this from a farmer's market here in the area, and Tuscan herb and garlic, incredible. So we're gonna get some of that in there. Vegetables are setting, getting yummy. The sauce is in the refrigerator. It's time to go out to the smoker. I'm going to set it up for direct cooking at about 400 degrees and let it heat up for about 40 minutes. So when you fire up your smoker, you may have some ugly black smoke at the beginning. That's going to give you a bitter flavor. You want to give it about 30 minutes, let all that stuff burn off, and make sure that your smoke looks almost like steam. You can just see right through it. So that's what we're going to do at this point. Be right back. All right, smoker's looking like it's getting ready, so it's time to get these tilapia on the planks. I have been informed by the director that she's going to be late, so we're going to do 2 of the planks, 4 of the fish, do hers later, because the director does not tolerate cold food. Okay, so we got to get this fish to about 145, so should take, at 400 degrees out there, between 7 and 9 minutes. On the planks, let's get them sauced up. So with the amounts we used, it gives us a pretty thick sauce, which is good. That means a lot of it's going to stay behind, not much is going to run off. It's really thick, so instead of a sauce, I think we're going to call it a blanket of happiness. Okay, they're all sauced up. Now we got to get our asparagus ready, then we can go out to the grill in one trip. Now, as far as cooking asparagus on the grill, it can be a pain. If you just take it and throw it right on the grill, it's a pain in the butt. So there's a bunch of different things you can do. You can put them on a couple skewers, so you only have to flip them once. Getting on the skewer is a little bit of a pain. You can wrap them in bacon. That's always a damn good answer. But because we're doing fish today and trying to be healthy, we'll go without the bacon. Another way you can go is with a grilling basket. So let's get that asparagus loaded up, that Tuscan herb oil, and the grunt rub. It smells fantastic. Now out to the grill. All right, here's the master grilling plan. We're gonna get the fish on directly over the flame, and then we're gonna put the asparagus off to the side so it's getting warmed up. Once we get the fish done, we'll put the asparagus over the flame, add a little bit of char to it, that little bit of extra flavor, and that'll be time to eat. Fish on that soaked plank directly over the flame. We're gonna give that, like I said, about 7 to 9 minutes. We have our asparagus in, now we wait. All right, so my timing was off a little bit. The fish took a little bit longer. Maybe I didn't have it fully thawed, so it's got a few more minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the asparagus off now because it is good and done. Swap these 2 planks around and give those just a few more minutes. Be right back. Time to check them. So if you don't have an instant read thermometer in your arsenal, you should. So these should be about 145 is what we're looking for. Give them a check, and we are there. Fantastic. Let's get these pulled off, get them in the kitchen. They're inside, ready to roll. It is the moment of truth. All right. Fantastic. This is definitely the way you want to go. Instant read thermometer, that magic sauce, you can't miss. Thanks again for watching Galley of the Sun. If you enjoyed what you saw here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, maybe leave 2. Thank you very much, and see you next time.